All-party Indian parliamentary delegation told European Union that India does not see global intervention in the bilateral issues between India and Pakistan. The first such Indian diplomatic push globally demonstrates the united political front in India against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism that led to the cold-blooded massacre of 26 Hindus in Pahalgam, Kashmir, on 22 April 2025 by Islamist terrorists based in Pakistan. This resulted in India mounting Operation Sindoor to launch strikes against terrorist camps in Pakistan that led to a 4-day military engagement between South Asian neighbors. BJP MP Ravi Shankar Prasad heads the 9-member delegation of Indian members of parliament, who were in Brussels for 2 days and met with members of the European Parliament and European Union and Belgian officials. Briefing reporters on 5 June 2025, Prasad said the Indian delegates told EU leaders, quote, "We are capable of handling them, Pakistan and terrorists, as they are. We have come to convey that terrorism is a global cancer and the world needs to come together to tackle the problem." Prasad said they highlighted India's decisive response to terrorism, the goals of Operation Sindoor, and the roadmap for a stronger India-EU partnership, including in combating terrorism. "We traveled to Europe with considerable pain and agony following the Pahalgam massacre," noted Prasad, India's former Union Minister of Law, Justice, Communications and Electronics Information Technology. He said the Indian delegation urged Europe, quote, "to tell Pakistan with a stern voice that if you want peace, stop this nonsense of patronizing terrorism. A new normal is trade and terror cannot go together," end quote. During their two-day stay in the Belgian capital, the Indian delegations also interacted with European think tanks and the Indian diaspora. Prasad said the European side appreciated very much India's position and he described the visit as fruitful and very satisfying. Earlier, the delegation visited France, Italy, Denmark, UK, and will now travel to Germany before heading home. Former Union Minister M.J. Akbar criticized the stance of some Europeans, saying on social media X platform, quote, "Instead of standing with us, why are so many Europeans sitting on the fence?" End quote. Akbar told reporters, "We need to remind our friends in Europe that when it comes to a critical challenge that we face at the moment, we cannot find them wanting. The age of two laws is over and India, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, has sent a very powerful message across the world, and this powerful message is resonating and finding an audience because it is based on values," end quote. The Indian delegation also includes Dr. Daggubati Purandeswari, BJP MP in Lok Sabha, Priyanka Chaturvedi, Shiv Sena MP in Rajya Sabha, Ghulam Ali Khatana, BJP MP in Rajya Sabha, Secretary and spokesperson of BJP in Jammu Kashmir, Dr. Amar Singh MP in Lok Sabha of Indian National Congress, Samik Bhattacharya, BJP MP in Rajya Sabha, Dr. M. Thambidurai, MP in Rajya Sabha of AIADMK, and Ambassador Pankaj Saran, former Deputy National Security Advisor and former Ambassador to Bangladesh and Russian Federation. India has 7 all-party delegations traveling to over 30 countries to highlight India's anti-terrorism resolve and garner international support following the Pahalgam attack.